Hello viewer, on that surface we have made a camel design. So there is an angle. To make it, I will add a paint into this camel shape design here. To add, I will take a further shape to make attraction there. Further we will keep on editing. Still we have to take it. I will use that paint on it. So there we will add it different colors and features there. Thank you for watching.